Oh. Good Thursday morning. What are we doing today? Hey, let's get these in the background. We're doing a beans day. All day. Van Camp's pork and beans and tomato sauce. 1937 recipes, my friend. 3 recipes. Why? Why would we be doing this? 1, it's vintage, 1937. My father was 10 years old. My mother was like 4. All of these I've never tried with pork and beans. The first one is really simple. It's just like a cheese sauce over some pork and beans. I've never had a cheese sauce over pork and beans. And it's so simple, that's why we're going to embellish it. It's just milk, cheese, and a little bit of Worcestershire. I thought for the first one, that's the only one we're going to change, I'm going to add a couple of diced tomatoes and some pickled nacho jalapenos. Just to spice it up a little bit. I mean, it's just cheese over beans. The next 2 are just plain weird. That's one of the reasons I really want to do this. They're just weird. First one is like a corned beef sandwich. I don't believe I've actually used canned corned beef without the potatoes. You separate the juice from the beans, you add in some peanut butter. I'm not kidding. Peanut butter and then some ketchup, and you chill it. And you serve it between 2 slices of corned beef on lettuce, topped with some mayonnaise and some sliced olives. Olives! The third one looks kind of fun, but yet there's this added component of beets. We make some corned beef hash like boats, and we brown them in the oven, fill them with Van Camp's pork and beans, and serve it with a side of canned beets. Canned beets! We gotta try it! This is a Van Camp's pork and beans day. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Van Camp's with cheese sauce, some jalapenos and tomatoes. Oh. Oh, it's really good. Whoa. Wow. I think I like this better than refried beans with cheese. The beans are a little soupy. You might want to drain out some of the fluid from the can. I'm glad I put the jalapenos, just a touch of heat. Oh, that's really good. Got to use our Corningware sidekick. Yeah, we like our Corningware sidekick. Oh man. So I cut the recipe in half. I think I put in about a 1/4 pound of American cheese to a 1/4 cup of milk. But you have to adjust. That's very good. This is something I will make again. This is the only one that isn't weird. But no regrets. Next!
I don't need no man speaking lies.
I bet you could slice them better in 1937.
Not very good, but it's gonna have to do.
I have been wanting to taste those beans for a while now. Should we taste the beans first? Let's give the beans a taste first. Peanut butter and ketchup. It's tasty. It's very weird because it's chilled. This is weird. This is weird. This is so weird. This is weird. This is weird. All right, I'm gonna try and take a bite of everything. Can I cut the olive in half? Oh. Beans. You didn't see that. Beans, corned beef, mayo. Interesting. All right, the corned beef is mushy. At first I thought it was too salty, and then I didn't think it was too salty. It's very foreign to me. Let's try to get a piece of lettuce. Let's see if I can get some corned beef, and let's see if I can get this in my mouth. Here we go. It's weird. At first you think it's too salty, and then it kind of backs off. 830 milligrams of sodium in this corned beef. I'm not repulsed. I should have put it on a bigger plate. Why did I use the sidekick for this? The corned beef is mushy. Maybe Spam. You know, Spam would really hold together. Spam might be a better idea. Huh. I can eat this. It's not bad. It's weird. That's all. Let's try and get the lettuce. Get that lettuce. Try and get that lettuce. Maybe it needs to be mushed up. All right. It has a very interesting smell. The corned beef with the peanut butter and the mayo, it's got a very interesting, it's not unpleasant. It's different. Oh, come on. Freaking lettuce. Come on, lettuce. All right. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I like it. This might be one of the weirdest meals I've ever tried. Oh, don't use your fingers, man. Sorry. You will blow people's minds if you present them with something like this. Don't even tell them what's coming. Hey, next! You're supposed to serve it with some saltine crackers. I've never had beans and corned beef hash. It'd be hot. Here we go. That's weird. I don't think I like beans and corned beef hash. Let's try it with a beet. Oh my gosh. Let's try it with a bead. Oh. Huh. The beet adds an entirely different dimension. That's interesting. I think the beet added a whole different dimension. If you can get it on your fork, here we go. It's not as bad with the beets. I did not expect that. Should we try one on a cracker? You put it on a cracker, what do you do? Is that what you do? That's what we have to do on a cracker. This is the worst of them all, but I'm not giving up. The beets help it. I think it needs some ketchup. I love ketchup in my beans, and I love ketchup on my corned beef hash, and I think it needs some ketchup. I don't know how it's going to go with the beets, but can't hurt. Let's try it with ketchup without a beet. It tastes good with the ketchup. It's not crispy corned beef hash like we're used to. But the ketchup really helps. I don't think I like beans and corned beef hash. No. I mean, I can eat this. Ketchup helps. This is the worst of the bunch. No, I'm done. I don't like beans with my corned beef hash. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.